What's up, my subscribers? So, I don't think you guys have actually ever seen it in any of my YouTube videos or any of my TikToks or anything. I don't think so. And yes, I am trying to get onto TikTok, but the TikTok thing saying I'm underage, but I am probably because I got on there years ago and then I came off it because I don't want to go on there anymore. Now I do for my YouTube for you guys, so more I can get more subscribers. And of course, none of you guys have seen it, but I do have a go-kart monster truck. So I haven't showed it to you guys yet, so I thought it's a perfect moment to show it. So yeah, it's this big thing here. Of course, we're doing some fixing on the back of it and bare tires. And we're going to fix this. We have a pipe, what was in for the tyres. It looks like this. We've got a new one now, but this one, sort of see it. It's not level. It's nowhere near level. It's wobbly because we were never bumping him. So we've got this mended. The reason I forgot about my phone because I just thought, oh yeah, just leave it in there. I didn't realise whenever the skate park thing, it probably snapped, but it didn't bend it. And I could tell because the tyres went around because I stuck in the tyres and it's like, you're not going anywhere, mate. So it's annoying, so I had to go back and yank it out. Use this drill thing I have to get it out. And yeah, hopefully in the future, after we've got all the repairs and it done, we might get another one for Christmas or birthday possibly. Could get one, might get a new one. Actually, I could stand on it or drive. This is a lovely thing. It still runs. Try it out the battery in a minute. Bit bent. And things that's just metal seller. Listen. Right, get proper metal. That's plastic. So yeah, it's proper metal because I could easily bend it, but no. So hope you guys have a lovely day. And if you're subscribers who have already subscribed to me, please get me some more subscribers. And leave a like and put your notifications on so you get this video.